We'll kickstart this edition with some breaking news coming in. Well, the meeting after last evening, the Prime Minister is all set to chair another key important meeting, and this has got to do with assessing the situation in the country vis-a-vis COVID-19. This meeting is expected at 11 a.m. today to discuss the COVID situation in Banaras, which happens to be the Lok Sabha constituency of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The meeting is going to be attended by top officials, local administration and doctors who are involved in fighting the COVID situation in Banaras. So we have the Member of Parliament from Banaras, the Prime Minister of the country, who is in fact holding a high-level meeting at 11 this morning, in just about an hour from now, to discuss the situation in his Lok Sabha constituency. Abhishek Anand is getting us more details. Abhishek, like Banaras, other states in UP also of concern essentially. This is a pilgrimage city, and there are concerns that protocol could be violated, like we've seen in many pilgrimage cities as well. And that's the reason why it's important to assess what the situation is like in Banaras right now. The Member of Parliament from Banaras holding this meeting today.
Well, Sneha, there are nearly 2,500 cases being reported in every 24 hours in the city. Since the size of the city is small, this number is very high. Also, there are about 12,000 active cases right now in that holy city, and this means that there is a serious scarcity of beds, especially beds, ICU beds with ventilator, oxygen cylinders, and also people are running pillar to post in search of essential medicines like remdesivir and many others. So the situation is really grim in Varanasi, and this is an alarming call for the government. And being a constituency of the Prime Minister, when people are suffering with such kind of situation, like ambulances queuing up in front of hospitals and hospitals refusing to admit COVID positive patients, this meeting is supposed to be a kind of pressure on the administration to control the system. However, there is a serious scarcity of bed, and the RT-PCR tests are also put on hold by many of the private labs in the city. People are waiting for 2 to 3 days to get their RT-PCR done, and this is the situation which is going on since last week in Varanasi. Sneha.
That's right. Abhishek, thanks for getting us up to speed with that.